Reproductive system. Reproduction. Reproduction is the biological process by which new offspring individual organisms are produced from their parents. Reproduction in human requires male and female sex and it is highly differentiated. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system includes the scrotum, testis, spermatic ducts, sex glands, and penis. These organs work together to produce sperm, the male gamete, and the other components of semen. Scrotum. The scrotum is a sac-like organ made of skin and muscle that houses the testis. Testis. The two testicles are the male gonads responsible for the production of sperm and testosterone. Epididymis. The epididymis is a sperm storage area. Spermatic cords and ducts difference. Within the scrotum, a pair of spermatic cords connects the testis to the abdominal cavity. The ducts vas deferens, is a muscular tube that carries sperm from the epididymis into the abdominal cavity to the ejaculatory duct. Seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicle are a pair of lumpy exocrine glands that store and produce some of the liquid portion of semen. Ejaculatory duct. The duct's deferens passes through the prostate and joins with the urethra at the ejaculatory duct. Urethra. Semen passes from the ejaculatory duct to the exterior of the body via the urethra. The urethra passes through the prostate and ends at the tip of the penis. Prostate. The prostate is a walnut-sized exocrine gland. The prostate produces a large portion of the fluid that makes up semen. Cowper's glands. The Cowper's glands are a pair of pea-sized exocrine glands located inferior to the prostate and anterior to the anus. The Cowper's glands secrete a thin alkaline fluid into the urethra. This fluid enters the urethra during sexual arousal prior to ejaculation to prepare the urethra for the flow of semen. Penis. The penis is the male external sexual organ located superior to the scrotum and inferior to the umbilicus. Semen. Semen is the fluid produced by male for sexual reproduction and is ejaculated out of the body during sexual intercourse. Semen contains sperm along with a number of chemicals suspended in a liquid medium. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system includes the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, vagina, vulva, mammary glands, and breasts. These organs are involved in the production and transportation of gametes and the production of sex hormones. Ovaries. The ovaries are a pair of small glands about the size and shape of almonds located on the left and right sides of the pelvic body cavity. Ovaries produce female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone as well as ova, eggs, the female gametes. Fallopian tubes. The fallopian tubes are a pair of muscular tubes that extend from the uterus to the edge of the ovaries. Uterus. The womb. The uterus is a hollow, muscular pear-shaped organ located posterior and superior to the urinary bladder. It connects the two fallopian tubes and the vagina. It surrounds and supports the developing fetus during pregnancy. Vagina. The vagina is an elastic, muscular tube that connects the cervix of the uterus to the exterior of the body. Vulva. The vulva is the collective name for the external female genitalia located in the pubic region of the body. Breasts and mammary glands. The breasts are specialized organs of the female body that contain mammary glands, milk ducts, and adipose tissue.